welcome to Unacademy. This is Devashri here, working as an assistant professor. If you want to join Unacademy Plus, you can join it with the help of my referral code, that is DEBA1. What are the benefits of Unacademy Plus? Are the daily live classes, structured courses as per the CSIR syllabus, live tests and quizzes, and unlimited access to all the educators at single subscription. So if you want to get maximum benefit and minimum prices, you can join it with the help of my referral code DEBA1. If we see price list of courses, so for 1 month it will be around 1890. For 3 months it is 4725. For 6 months it is 7560. For 12 months it is 9450, and for 24 months it is 11340. If you use my referral code DEBA1, you will be getting a 10% off on all this. So today our topic is most important topic for CSIR NET 2020, because it is not possible to study every topics in revision, right? So you have to study only the most important topic. So I thought to bring up this most important topic for CSIR NET 2020. So if here we will be discussing till unit 4. This is a part 1 of this video, right? So if we talk about the part 1, unit 1, here I am discussing 4 units, biochem unit 1 to 4, right? So unit 1 is all about biochemistry. So here the important topics which you should not skip are stabilizing bond between macromolecules, proteins, DNAs, van der Waals forces, hydrogen bonds, right? Amino acid structures, behavior according to different R group, properties such as chirality, and terms such as isoelectric point and pKa values, right? Protein conformation, the structure of protein, primary, secondary, tertiary, right? The protein dihedral bonds, Ramachandran plot. This is very important, this Ramachandran plot. Techniques to determine different conformations and their sequencing. Protein folding, thermodynamics, denaturations, enzyme kinetics. So these are the very important topics, right? And this graphical representations, the inhibition processes and their graphical representation. These are also very important topics, right? Next, metabolic pathway of carbohydrates, including glycolysis, TCA cycle, enzyme factors involved, and stoichiometry, electron transport chain, ATP synthesis, glycolysis, Krebs cycle. So these are the important metabolism of carbohydrates, right? These all are very important pathway. Pentose phosphate pathway. So numerical questions on molarity, pH buffer, and thermodynamic, that is delta G calculation in various cellular process. This is very important, delta G concept. If you check the previous paper questions, you will be getting delta G questions. Many questions are there from the Gibbs free energy part, right? Next, carbohydrate structure. Concentrate on apimers, anomers, glycosidic bond formation, types of bond between disaccharide and polysaccharide, glycosa, aminoglycan, examples and functions. Lipid structure with special emphasis on membrane lipids and adaptation to temperature structure. Nucleic acid, because these lipid structures are very important and basically their adaptations to temperature, right? Nucleic acid excuse me, twist number, Rith number, linking number, structure, and the nucleotide biosynthesis. So these are the very important, very much important topics, right? You should revise all these topics, and if you have not prepared, at least still time is there, you can go through. If you have any, you can go through those topics which you have missed. Unit 2, this is cellular organization. So here you need to study about the membrane structure and function, the composition and nature of plasma membrane, what are the compounds which are found in cytosolic and non-cytosolic region, all types of phospholipids and proteins, their distribution in the membrane, RBC membrane components such as band tree, transport proteins also, lipid raft, chilling sensitive, chilling resistant concepts, various types of ion channels, pumps, transporters, their inhibitors. It is very important to memorize their names and exact mode of inhibition, membrane destabilizing agents, detergents treatment, membrane potential. These are very important topic, right? Next, protein transport pathways to various organelles, cytoskeletal components like actin, thymine, kinesin and their functions in different cellular processes, enzymatic content of cellular organelle like Golgi, lysosome, peroxisome, disease associated with impaired functions, protein modifications in ER and this cellular fractionation. After, you can say, after doing centrifugation, so you'll be getting a different layer. So in which layer, according to the size of the cellular organelle, they get separated, right? So this cell fractionation is very important. When, at what RPM the organelles get separated, the proteins get separated, this is also important. Next, coming to unit third, that is your fundamental processes. So fundamental processes, the first is individual stages of all the processes in initiation, elongations and terminations of replication, transcription, translation, right? And the components involved like enzyme, activators, inhibitors of those processes. DNA replication, Messelson-Stengel experiment, prokaryotic and eukaryotic replication, different types of DNA polymerases and their specific functions. Telomere replication, DNA damage, mutations and all types of repair pathways, homologous and site-specific recombination. RNA transcription, post-transcriptional modifications, processing of mRNA, processing of tRNA, processing of rRNA, right? Next is your types of RNA structure and function, protein synthesis, ribosomes and initiation and elongation factor involved. So this is a mechanism, genetic codons, gene regulation in eukaryotes, phase gene regulation, that is in case of viruses we study about, that is phages virus only, lytic and lysogenic phases and genes expressed. Gene silencing method and RNA interference. This is also very important. Next, unit 4, cell communication and cell signal. So here various bacterial and viral diseases, airborne water diseases and their causative agents, pathogens and their host. G protein couple receptors, receptor tyrosine kinase, MAP kinase pathway, JAK-STAT pathway, WNT pathway, HEDSOC pathway, TGF beta pathway, NFKB pathway, NOTS delta and Afrin signaling pathway. So these are the signaling pathways which you have to go through, and here you have to remember every about the ligand, about the what happens once the ligand binds to the receptor, whether it gets phosphorylated, dimerization, what will happen, everything you have to study in detail, the pathways basically. All the pathways and detailed mechanisms of the molecules and structural changes involved in signaling, with examples in biological processes where the signaling pathways are involved in. Effect of toxins and inhibitors on these processes, components of extracellular matrix, their structure and function in detail, cell-cell interactions, cell matrix interaction, tight junctions, gap junctions, all different types of cell adhesion molecules and their functions. Complete process of apoptosis and cancer. Apoptosis, cancer, right? These all are very important from CSIR point of. Thank you so much students for watching this session. In the next part, upcoming part, we'll be dealing with the remaining units, and till then keep doing revision, keep practicing. Thank you so much. Meet you in the next session. Thank you for watching the sessions.